When you search for gas versus electric string trimmers, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what really works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Black & Decker Weed Whacker. First up is the Black & Decker Weed Whacker with auto feed. Priced at just $59, this corded electric trimmer caught my attention with its 2-in-1 trimmer and edger feature. If you want a hassle-free way to keep your yard tidy, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this product really shines. It features a powerful 6.5 amp motor that handles tough weeds and overgrowth with ease. The automatic feed spool technology means you'll never have to deal with annoying line bumps while working. Plus, at just 6.3 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to control. You can quickly switch from trimming to edging, making it ideal for those hard-to-reach areas like flower beds or sidewalks. Customers are raving about its efficiency, with over 8,000 units sold recently, which tells you it's popular for a reason. Now, some people complained about the cord being a hassle during use. Here's the thing. If you have a smaller yard or don't mind the cord, this isn't a deal breaker. It might even save you some hassle since you won't have to deal with battery charging. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable, lightweight trimmer for small to medium yards that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for something cordless or if you have a larger area to cover. Now, if the corded feature of the Black & Decker bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Black & Decker 3-in-1 Combo. Next, we have the Black & Decker electric lawnmower, weed eater, and edger 3-in-1 combo for $79. I love the idea of having a combo tool that can mow, trim, and edge all in one. If you want convenience and versatility, this might be your best bet. This combo features a 6.5 amp motor that's just as powerful as the last one, ensuring you can tackle those pesky weeds without breaking a sweat. The automatic feed spool keeps things running smoothly without manual adjustments. With a 12-inch cutting width and a lightweight design, it's perfect for those compact spaces. It also converts to a wheeled edger quickly, which is super convenient for achieving clean edges. Given its features and recent sales of over 1,000 units, this combo is definitely a hit among customers. However, I did notice some users mentioning it can struggle with taller grass. But honestly, for small yards or lawns, the 12-inch width is manageable and can get the job done effectively without too much hassle. This is perfect for you if you have a small yard and want an all-in-one tool. Skip this one if you have a larger lot or frequently deal with overgrown grass. It offers great value for money, considering it covers 3 different tasks. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for battery users. Product number 3, Ego Power Plus String Trimmer. Coming in at $159, the Ego Power Plus String Trimmer is a battery-powered option that packs a punch. I was impressed by its innovative power load technology. If you want something efficient and easy to use, this might be the one for you. This trimmer has a 15-inch cutting width and a high-efficiency brushless motor, designed to give you up to 45 minutes of runtime with the recommended battery. That means you can get a lot done without worrying about recharging constantly. The telescopic aluminum shaft allows you to adjust the length for comfort, which is especially handy if you're on the taller side. Plus, it's weather-resistant, so you don't have to stress about a little rain. Customers have been snatching this up too, with over 1,000 sold recently. However, a few buyers pointed out that the battery is sold separately, which can be a bit of a bummer. But if you're already in the Ego ecosystem, you can easily swap batteries from other tools. So if you're not already invested in Ego batteries, it could be a bit pricey to get started. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful battery trimmer with a comfortable design. Skip this one if you're not ready to invest in additional batteries. It's a solid investment for those who want convenience. Now, if you're looking for something a bit lighter and more compact, let's... Product number 4, Black & Decker 3-in-1 Combo Mower. Next up is the Black & Decker Weed Eater, Lawn Edger, and Cordless Lawnmower 3-in-1 Combo for $169. This one caught my eye because it comes with 2 batteries, which is a huge plus. If you want flexibility without the cord, this might be the combo you're looking for. This trimmer features a 12-inch cutting width and can easily transform into a small lawnmower, making it perfect for tight spaces. The automatic feed spool means you won't have to stop and adjust when your line runs out. With a weight of 9.9 pounds, it's still lightweight enough for extended use. The kit comes with everything you need, including 2 batteries and a charger, so you're set right out of the box. Over 900 units have been sold, proving it's a popular choice for homeowners. One downside I found is that some users mentioned the battery life could be better when running the mower. But honestly, if you're using it for smaller patches of grass, the 2 batteries should suffice for most jobs. This is perfect for you if you want a cordless, versatile tool for small to medium yards. Skip this if you have a larger area and need something with longer runtime. It's a good value considering you get everything needed to get started right away. Now, if you want something even more compact and easy to handle, let's take a look at the final product. Product number 5, Works 3-in-1 Cordless Trimmer. Finally, we have the Works 3-in-1 Cordless String Trimmer and Lawn Edger for $69. This one's super lightweight at just 4.6 pounds, which instantly makes it appealing. If you want something that's easy to maneuver, this could be your best bet. The Works trimmer features a 12-inch cutting width and transforms effortlessly from a trimmer to a wheeled edger. It's designed with command feed technology, allowing you to add more line with just a push of a button, which really speeds up your workflow. With 7 handle adjustments and 6 rotating head settings, it's customizable to fit any user. Even better, it shares the same battery with other Works tools, which is fantastic for those looking to expand their power tool collection. Customers have been pleased with over 900 units sold recently. Some folks have noted that the battery and charger aren't included, which is a letdown if you're new to the brand. But if you already own Works tools, it's a no-brainer to grab this one for your yard. To wrap up, we've seen some solid choices in gas versus electric string trimmers. The Black & Decker Weed Whacker is great for corded power, while the 3-in-1 combo adds versatility. The Ego Power Plus offers battery efficiency. The Black & Decker combo with 2 batteries is versatile. And the Works trimmer is lightweight and easy to handle. Choose based on your yard size and personal preferences.